Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at construction and locus. Today we're going to be looking at what? Construction and locus. What is construction? Construction simply means drawing shapes, lines, angles accurately. Is that clear?
Yes.
Whenever you have the ability to draw shapes, like a circle is a shape, isn't it? A straight line is also a shape. Your ability to draw it accurately is known as what? Construction. It's known as what? So that's why we say construction means to draw shapes, angles, and lines accurately. Is that clear? When you want to do construction, there are some basic tools that you need. There are some what? Basic tools. Those things you use in doing the construction. Example is what we call a ruler. Example is what we call what? This is a ruler. Another good example is what we call pencil. What we call what? This is a pencil, isn't it? Another thing you need is what we call compass, isn't it? This is a compass. Use it to mark arcs and circles, isn't it? Another thing you need is what we call a protractor. A protractor. This is a protractor, is it? Use it to mark out angles. Is that clear? You also need an eraser so that when you make mistake, you can easily erase. You also need T-square and set-squares, isn't it? So those are the basic tools that you need for what? Construction. Basic tools for construction: a ruler. This is a sketch of a ruler. A pencil, a protractor, a compass, and what we call eraser, isn't it? And other things. Is that clear? There are basic things that the requirement that you are supposed to have, or you're supposed to incorporate in your techniques used in construction. Is that clear? Those are number one, that you have to use a very sharp pencil. You have to use a very sharp what? Before you use your pencil, make sure you sharpen it very well. Is that clear? You have to also use a clean eraser. Your eraser has to be very clean so that you can make erasure very accurately. Is that clear? You have to also use a very straight ruler. This is my ruler. It has to be straight. Once your ruler starts having problem, it will not give you accurate construction. Is that clear? So you have to have a very straight ruler, and you have to have a very good pair of compass. This pair of compass, if it is not strong, as you're marking out your arcs, it will be giving you different measurements. So you have to make sure that it's firmly fixed. Is that clear? So once you have these tools, and many more of them, and you are able to obey all these basic rules, you're going to have a good construction. You're going to have a what? In subsequent classes, we are going to be starting our construction, and we'll be starting with a straight line, marking out a line of specific length. Is that clear? This is